need a 3/8 wrench.
3/8, yep.
Yep. And then you can use a plastic bottle. I just use this.
You just bleed some fuel out of it or something?
Just like bleeding your brake line.
Yep, yeah, I've done that.
Yep. Get all the air out of it. So
Yep.
there's a little nut right here.
Yep.
Crack.
Just crack the nut and let a little bit come out.
Crack it open. Then the magical. Hold down that button for like 5 seconds.
Yep.
You know, it's gonna pop up, control reset. Let go. It's gonna do its thing.
And then when there's no more bubbles.
When I get a solid flow,
Yep.
that's when you're good to go. So ignition trial. So once that hits that, hold that down again.
Yep.
It's gonna go into control reset.
Yep.
Let it go. You probably have to do it a couple times.
Mm-hmm.
But depends how far your oil tank is. No, it's not that far. So
You hold it down a second time and it pauses and then it does it more.
yeah, so we're almost getting there. So basically just keep doing it until
There's a bunch of oil coming out.
you get a nice flow coming out with you.
Yep.
Should be pretty soon.
Bunch of air looks like right now.
Yeah.
There we go. Not yet though.
Nope, not yet.
Looks pretty solid now.
No,
You
not
opened
yet.
it more. Yep.
Now it's on hard lockout. Called service tech, but if you hold it down long enough, I think it's like 45 seconds or something like that.
I'm gonna do another cycle.
Yeah. It's not foamy anymore.
And what'd you put, like 10 gallons in it?
Yeah.
How much do you think it will take to get it through the night?
What size nozzle do you have?
Oh,
I'll just leave
You
it
have
like
an
on.
85 ADA, so you got 0.85 gallons per hour. I put in 10 gallons, so
Yeah, if I just
Well,
leave
until
the
tomorrow.
house at 60,
Yep.
I'll be fine. I just don't have like
that looks like it's getting there now.
yep.
Yep. It's solid fuel now.
Shut that.
Yep, it's like bleeding brakes. Now it's firing up.
Now it's fired up.
Oh, I can definitely handle that.
Yeah.
If I need a job, I'll give you a call.
There's that. That's that.
That's it?
That's it.